There you go.
Yes,
Whoa.
we got it. Holy crap, that's a
fat
lot
cash
of
of money.
ones.
Have you guys on camera spilling the money?
Mesa police are on the way right now. They're going to be here in a few minutes.
Whoa.
And they can help us straighten all this out.
What's up, Joy fam? It's your Joy Boy back at it again. So I've decided to continue my iPhone giveaways. If you're not familiar with my channel, you don't know that I've given away over 3 iPhones already. Master Rubik's 23. You get the iPhone X. Congratulations to Dark World. You just won an iPhone XS. Congratulations to Psycho Gaming Cat Meow. Dude, you just won an iPhone XR. This is my 4th phone I'm gonna be giving away to one lucky person, completely free, shipped to their door. The way this works is that I'm going to be giving away this phone in a live stream that is completely random. No one knows when it will be taking place, so you must subscribe now, turn on those bell notifications if you guys want the best chance at winning. You guys know that I give my hints on social media, so make sure you go follow my social media down in the description if you want hints when this live stream will be. I'm super excited to be giving away another phone, and I cannot wait to pick the winner. I'll see you there. What's up, Joy fam? It's your Joy Boy back at it again, guys. We are at the arcade today playing Keymaster, and check this out. Here is some cash at the top row. That is the greatest prize I think I've seen in a Keymaster. So of course, I've got quarters. I'm gonna try to win it, see if I can beat the payout rate, see if I can get the key to fit inside that hole. Let's see, 4 quarters in. All right, I'm gonna go for this middle one. Which one looks the thickest? Which one's looking extra thick?
The one in the middle.
One in the middle? Alright. Middle it is. I just love the middle because it's symmetrical. Oh. Alright. Let's see. Oh my
First try?
God.
Oh,
Dude,
I was
what?
gonna say.
That first try really had me thinking here. Let's see. Oh no, I don't know. I felt that one jump, I think. That was weird. Just gotta feel it out. It's all in the fingers. Be the key. Oh, come on. Oh my god. Let's see. Oh my god, that was off. I can already tell. We got 2 tries on the clock. Can I win these?
Fat cash of money.
Yep. Bring home the bread.
How much do you think it's in?
At least 100.
Oh, you think
Definitely.
so?
Oh my gosh, that was close. I felt that one not move up as much. I'm gonna keep going. Alright. I'm going back for the stack of cash. I am not saying no to a lot of money. Here we go. Come on.
You got it.
Oh my god. That was a centimeter. What's millimeter? Just go for the middle one. Come on, key. 90 needs now. 90 needs now. Oh my. Okay, that was my fault. I felt that one. Call me a locksmith because I am a key master. There we go. Oh!
There you go.
Yes,
Whoa.
we got it. Oh my gosh, we just got it.
Bingo bango. The
A
money
giant
is
wad
in
of
the...
cash. Let's go. No way. Check this out. Holy crap, that's a
fat
lot
cash
of
of money.
ones. Oh my god, this is at least
only
100. I'm gonna have to count this. This is a lot of ones. Oh my god, that wasn't bad. I mean, that was a great score, guys. That was at least, what, 20 bucks?
20 bucks.
Oh my god. Guys, let's keep playing. I want to see if I can win.
Yep, the second one. Okay. You gonna take me out after this video?
Let's see. Can we snag it? Right there. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh, that was so close. All right, I think I can win that for sure. Dude, look how much cash this is. That's insane.
That is a lot.
I'm feeling confident. I feel like I could probably win this other stack of cash. Make this bad boy a little thicker. Let's see if it's due. Ooh, mama. Oh, I hope I went over enough.
Yo,
Oh,
what are you guys
my
doing
God.
here?
Oh, what's up?
What are you doing here?
Oh, we're just playing.
Literally. You know you can't be here. running all the cash, cheating, hacking the
You need
game.
to turn that camera off right now. Stop filming.
You know you're not.
Hey, do you have an accounting for that money? Do you have a receipt or?
No, I literally won it.
We just won it. It's
have
right there.
Yeah, we have.
I can
proof
show
that
it to
guys-
you.
No, you guys were hacking the machine. Showing people how to win, so stealing all the money from the machine.
We are not stealing anything.
No, you were hacking the machine. How'd you get the money?
We won it fair and square. We can show you the
We have them on camera, right?
We have you guys on camera stealing the money, so you guys didn't play fair and square. We have proof that you guys took the money.
did, bro. How do I prove it to you? Like, this is...
You can't prove it.
Doesn't matter.
We have no camera.
Mesa police are on the way right now. They're going to be here in a few minutes, and they can help us straighten all this out. So come on, guys,
You gotta
let's
come with
go.
us. Come on.
We have to come.
That's crazy. I'm literally getting handcuffed right now, guys. Check this out. There's literally cops everywhere. We almost got arrested. This is insane. I can't even tell you guys what I just went through. I'm gonna have to update you guys in a little bit, but literally this is insane. We both got arrested right now. Oh.